Carrots are one of the most widely used and enjoyed vegetables in the world, partly because they grow relatively easily and they are very versatile in a number of dishes and cultural cuisines. Carrots are scientifically classified as Docus carota and it is categorized as root vegetable. It is typically orange in color, but purple, white, yellow, and red carrots are out there, just not as common. Improves eyesight. Deficiency of vitamin A can cause some difficulty seeing in dim light. Since carrots are rich in vitamin A, it is good for improving eyesight and preventing the conditions like night blindness from developing as we age. Oral health. The organic compounds in carrots all by themselves are good for minerals, antioxidants, but carrots also stimulate the gums and induce the excessive saliva. Saliva is an alkaline substance and combats the bacteria and foreign bodies. That can often result in cavities, halitosis, and other oral health risks. Stroke. Eating a carrot every day reduces the risk of stroke by 68%. Many studies have strengthened the belief in the carrot effect on the brain. Studies conducted on the stroke patients revealed that those with the highest level of beta-carotene had the highest survival rate. Diabetes. Carrots are good for blood sugar regulation due to the presence of carotenoids in this delicious vegetable. Carotenoids inversely affects insulin resistance and thus lower blood sugar, thereby helping diabetic patients live a normal healthy life.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.